Welcome to this week's portfolio update. This week market was on high, so portfolio increased very much. If you see the overall return, it's increased to 17.87%. The dividends earned is 94.41. If you see the last week, the gain is around $37. Return is 1.27%. We earned dividends last week. Let's go to the monthly chart. We'll see. Okay. Monthly chart, we see the earned dividends is 43. That is basically the TSLY part that boosted the dividend. Now let's see the activity for last week. You see there were activities on like deposit on June 12th and morning trading on June 10th. It was a mistake actually. I planned to buy MA only on the dividends earned from JP, but as I selected Pi, M1 automatically bought $10 from for MA at a share price of 153.75. Then the regular $11 deposit was done on Thursday. There were a deposit of 287, and we are filling JP just to achieve the financial independence for car wash. So last time JP reduced the dividend, so that's why we added most of the money to JP. Now if you see the JP dividend is more than $10. Now we'll invest the remaining to the new pie. In between, we got a TSLY dividend. We were expecting $15. Our aim was $15. However, TSLY this month they increased the dividend to around 60% per year. So we got a dividend of 27.91. That's a good boost. And the remaining amount we put it in IEP or new pie for Xfinity bill. So $87 were put. The share price is 29.42. So we bought around 2.9 shares. Again, on Friday, we invested more money, and all the dividends from TSLY had put EPD under that pie. So all the dividends we get it from TSLY will not add more to TSLY right now. So the dividends we get it all will be invested in EPD. It's also a good share that if you go to the EPD, the share dividend yield is 7.31. So that will again add to this one. And the remaining everything went to IEP again 146. So IEP, if you see, the dividend yield is 28.63. Now going back to the portfolio, let's see the monthly updates. So car wash, now JP we added and we'll stop adding more. So we have more than 29.49 shares. That is enough for the $10 based on the last month dividend. And MA, yeah, there was a mistake, but still we'll continue with that one. Like $10 cost, we bought $10 worth of MA. So MA is our long-term plan. Similarly for Netflix subscription, EPD is our long-term plan. So we aim to have 60% of EPD in this slice, in this pie, and 40 percentage. So we currently we TSLY is 581. So we aim to have more than $700 in EPD, and the aim is like from EPD itself we need to get $15. So we neglect whatever we get it from TSLY. So we'll only add up once this is getting boosted up. All the dividends we'll put into EPD. Xfinity, the description tell likes our aim is $18. We invested $244.99 at an average share price of 28.28. Yesterday again IEP reduced their share price, went down. So we currently hold 8.66. So it's okay for us until we reach $18 dividend. We'll keep on investing and then we'll stop it. So if the share price goes down, that's good for us until the company doesn't perform badly. Let's go to the Excel to understand the monthly dividends. Into the Excel for the monthly dividend, you see currently the monthly dividend increased crossed $50, so that's a milestone. So the annual dividend right now it's $600. So mostly thanks to TSLY dividend. So they gave dividend 27.91. So I don't think this is sustainable. So we'll aim at $15. So actual dividend will focus it as like 39 to $40. And remaining MA we invested $10, and the current dividend from that $10 is 0.03 per month. EPD, from the dividend we received 27.91, we invested in EPD. So we now hold 1.05 shares. From that dividend we are getting 0.17. So this will add up to that Netflix subscription. And JP, right now it is the dividend is 10.78 from 29.49 from calculating from the last month dividend. So overall, an IEP, if you see 8.66 shares, the dividend per month is 5.79. So our aim is $18. So around one by third of the dividend is now covered, and we invested around 244.99. So in total, our investment is 29.76, and the yield on costs, thanks to TSLY, like 65.93, the current dividend yield on cost. So on total, our portfolio has 20.62 yield on cost. So that's very huge. We expect more than 5%. Let's go to the financial independence date calculation. Going for the calculation, we have currently 51.14 per month dividend. Let's calculate. So as of today, the dividend for retirement for monthly dividend target is 52.23, and currently our financial independent date would be 2254 October 21st. At that time my age would be 269, and I would be earning around $5.39 million as monthly dividend. Let's go to the milestones achieved so far. For this week, the milestones achieved is like monthly dividend it cost $50, and annual dividend it cost $600. And again, the portfolio also cost 3K. Total milestones achieved as of now.